Alright, Briscoes, we're back with the never before tried tandem Mack and Lunatarns. So the problem that you run into then when you do this like this is really just the logistics. They do have to learn. So I've got the little tandem stretchy clip on them. Heel. Sit. Heel. Heel. Sit. Good. Wonderful, dogs. Wonderful. Wonderful. Down. Wonderful. Wonderful. And those treats, Jessica, were terrible. Don't use those treats anymore. Couldn't even break them into pieces. We ended up feeding it to the possum. I packed it as a sack lunch for the possum so that when it went out on its own out there, it had something to eat. All right, so what I can do, sit. Good. Good. All right, so you can see we're a little off. Heel. Sit. Good. Wonderful. They're so perfect. All right, so Dogtra is coming out with a new collar. I want you guys to get that. It's a very thin, in fact, we need to do a video, and I'll pull up the email, and we can show the picture of it. It's a much smaller remote. There is a 2-dog. I think that's what you guys should get for your backup. There's a 2-dog, and the collar is basically designed like the Martin Systems Chameleon collar. Very, very low profile. My only reservation is how strong is the pager going to be, but Ben said it's going to be as strong as the 300, which the 300 really isn't as strong as the 200, but pick your battles. All right, so what I'm going to do is turn towards. I can only do one pager at a time, so, well, you know what, unless I went like this. They're not making my life easy. Heel. Turn. Heel. Wonderful. Sit. Oh, they're absolutely perfect. So now I'm going to try doing it without holding on to the leash. It's going to be a little bit easier. I'm still going to have my very big hand signal. Heel. Good. Good dogs. Good dogs. So I'm going to give them, they've got a lot of forward momentum, so I'm going to click my pager. Heel. And then I'm going to heel. Good dogs. Good. Good. Sit. Oh, they're absolutely perfect. Heel. Sit. What perfect, perfect dogs. Luna got huge too. She got huge. Let me see if I get them down. Down. Good. Good. Let me see if I can get them up and get them turned back that way. Mack, Luna, heel. Heel. Sit. Good. Heel. Click my pager. I'm going to put my pager as a precursor. Heel. Sit. Good. Down. Down. Let me see if I can get them resitting. Heel. Oh, they're absolutely perfect. Bye, guys.